Hi, very good morning to you all. Actually, today is a special occasion why I'm putting this video. This is my third video after 10th of May. We shifted here in dormitory, and today is 6th of June. It's almost 26th day of complete lockup, as I said, without freedom. And last night, I got a news that, hey Ganesh, you can go home. When is your off day? I said Sunday. Then they said Sunday you can go on. No, I say Saturday is my half day. Okay, you can leave Saturday. That was a real big relief kind of thing. It's being not so tough as long as I keep saying, we have been supplemented everything, food, our washing things, fridge, eating area, everything was comfortable. Even the rooms are quite good, they're clean, and I'm going to miss it somehow. I guess so. I'm not sure. Yeah, but this is the time when we really realized that what is the most important thing in our life is of course, our health and our freedom. As a human being, we really like to be on our own within the secured environment, within the community, within a group of people, but we need our me time. It's not only privacy, but it's something. If you don't get food, even you don't get sleep, but if you are having a kind of environment where you are comfortable to see, as science say, you can survive without food, but you cannot survive without sleep. So sleep is something like which gives us satisfaction, which gives us relief, and that is only the reason I was getting good sleep. I didn't say that I was not getting a sleep or something, but there was no satisfied comfort when I sleep on my own bed with hugging my own pillows. And the best thing, I get really nice time to talk to my Minu, my Shona. And day before yesterday, she was supposed to do some test, and there was some not so good thing came from only one test. Her cortisol level is too low, but the other electrolytes, thyroid, and USG abdominal we did yesterday, everything is normal. So I couldn't really take it. I really outburst, but that happened day before yesterday. Then I have to arrange my wife and mom. They're supposed to go in heavy rains to get the test done. In India, it's not so safe also for my kiddo to go out, and so many tantrums going on. But I see the life is giving a graph of happiness and sadness. Happiness and sadness is highly fluctuating. So when I saw my Bebo report was not so good, I just gave up. I was just about to bust out. I did that, but after that she went for USG. Everything was normal. When I looked at her photos, I cannot really express that feelings in words. It's something made me really very sad. But now again her tests are become normal, and I have to go out, and that's all happiness again came in. So it's happiness and sadness, and that's how the life is. Unless there are waves, the ship cannot move forward. There has to be a depression and elevation. Then only the speed of life will increase. That is what I'm feeling. I have been feeling this since my birth. So this is one of the part of life. I can take it as, and that makes me happy. That makes me keep going on. Sorry, there was my alarm. And yeah, unfortunately, my duty time is about 8 to 5. Every day I wake up at 7:30, get ready by 7:50, and go back to my desk. But today I woke up at 7 o'clock, so I thought I got a good time. I'm very fresh also, you see. I beard, cut my beard nicely. My mom doesn't like it. She say, cut the beard, you look like some other, yeah, you can understand what I want to say. But Shravani likes it, so I just kept it. See what's the response for this. Of course, I'm going to cut it, and my hairstyle also. That is my since birth I like this kind of, yeah, in between. We call it as Tere Naam style. Last time it was done by Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, it's still famous with Shah Rukh Khan. So yeah, these are some changes. They are good things today happened, and they're going to happen. I'm going to pack up by today. If they say you can leave tonight, I'll be very happy to leave tonight. I'll finish my duty at 5 o'clock. So I think there is no point staying here. It's good and bad. I'm going to miss food because at home again I need to cook, again wake up early in morning and get up and go faster. But at least I can control. I'm lazy to cook, lazy to work. I don't want to wash things, so I will eat less. Now my weight is 73.5. I gained about 2 kg, 2.5 kg in last 26 days. So I have to work very hard to relieve it. But the best part, I'm just going out. And thanks. And I'm going to sure put a video when I'll go out. And I decided to walk to my home. I'm not going to take a bus or any public transport. My house is about half an hour to 45, about 40 minutes walk from here. It's about 6 kilometers. So yeah, that can be a good journey to back to the freedom, to back to the normal life. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks. Yeah, this make me really happy, and hopefully, yeah, my Munna ACTH blood test is also pending, and doctor is really waiting for that. Hopefully that test will also come normal, and I'm sure it will come normal. Even though it is not so normal, I'm going to accept it. It's nothing major. It's a part of life. My Munna is very strong. We are very strong. The God has given us strength, and always there has to be a fluctuating graph of happiness and sadness in life. Otherwise, the life doesn't go on. You don't appreciate what you have unless you really feel we don't have anything. That's the teaching for today. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm ready already, and I'm going to have my nice dinner, breakfast. Just have a look of my room. That man always making noise with me. His name is Carl. He went for duty now. Sorry, no, this one Erwin. And here our so-called dormitory supervisor, Mr. Carl, very cute boy, very nice boy. I'm going to interview him later. And the other side is my assistant. His name is JR. So 4 of us are staying here. They provided us a fan. There is fan on top here, 2 fans nicely, and the room is quite cozy, quite clean, big, with all kind of supplements. And these are my supplements. This is my own cupboard. So-called cupboard is a storage kind of, but it's enough for the stuff which I bought. And we have a thermometer, mask, everything provided. Yeah. See you guys. Love you all.